Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This Bash Quickie will introduce the shell command history, specifically how to use it so you don't have to retype your repetitive commands. So this will be a giant time saver. Let's jump right in. Every time you type a command in the shell, it saves it to a history file, and you can view your entire history by typing the command history. That should be easy to remember. It starts with the most recent command and works its way up or backwards through this list. And every entry has a reference number. More on this later. Hitting the up arrow will start to take you back up through the list. And down arrow will take you back down. The main advantage is if you type a giant command, which adds it to your history, all you have to do is hit up arrow, then enter to rerun the previous command. Another way to rerun the most recent command is with the double bang. Bang meaning exclamation mark. Notice the shell will echo the command it resolved to before it runs it. This is helpful for troubleshooting. And an expert tip, if you forget to sudo the last command, you can type the sudo first, then reference said command. If you know the reference number of the command you want to rerun, type bang, then the reference number. You can also search through your history by typing Ctrl-R to enter reverse search mode, which means it's going to search back up through your history. So we'll just start typing our string. It's going to use everything in quotes as your search string, and here's our first match. So to go to the next match, just type Ctrl-R again. At this point, we could hit enter, or hit the left arrow key to add something to it. Now obviously, we could have used our first match, but this was to demonstrate another feature of searching previous commands. When searching through your history, to exit reverse search mode, just type Ctrl-C. Thank you.